Hi, I'm Jim McGee, founder of NuclearCardiologyReports.com. Thanks for downloading our Quick Start demo, and thanks for your commitment to creating excellent nuclear cardiology reports. They really are the only part of the nuclear cardiology exam that anybody ever sees, and they're really important. They follow the patient around for the patient's entire life. I developed and perfected the Nuke Reporter over the course of about 8 years while I was the technical director of an IAC accredited nuclear cardiology lab. And the Nuke Reporter at its heart really has IAC compliance as the main thing. There's error checking and corrective messages that will steer you back on course if your report is not 100% IAC compliant. This has always been important, but it's going to be even more important in February of 2022 when the new IAC reporting standards come into effect. And there are some new changes. Basically, they've made their reporting standards even more stringent. And of course, we'll be complying with that. Other benefits of the Nuke Reporter are that it's got a really simple interface. It's very easy to use. It saves you time. Basically, for a cardiologist, at the end of the day, if the study's normal, it's going to take him literally under 30 seconds to report to create a normal report. And usually that's about 70% of exams. For technologists, it's going to take you about 2 to 2.5 minutes per report, but you're going to be 100% sure that everything's in order due to the error checking. Also, an MA can do the part that a CNMT would normally do, the demographic section and the stress test results section. It's also very, very flexible to accommodate the needs of different interpreting physicians. There's room for all kinds of customization and custom sentences. And finally, it just creates very, really nice to look at and easy to understand final reports. They're all on one page. Everything is laid out really nicely, and they really help your reputation and help your brand. And most importantly, they're standardized so that everybody knows what they mean, but at the same time, they're very accessible for all kinds of people to understand. So it really helps your patients. So again, I appreciate your interest in creating excellent nuclear cardiology reports. Feel free to experiment with the download for 30 days. Use our knowledge base if you have any questions about how to use the software. That's at NuclearCardiologyReports.com /knowledge-base/. And feel free to contact us if you have any questions or if you need help convincing the powers that be at your practice to invest in the Nuke Reporter. It does pay off very quick. It makes the end of the cardiologist's day really easy to just create reports without having to go through a cluttered user interface, and it's fast. So I really appreciate your interest. Check it out and contact us if you have any questions. Thanks.